Today, we're milling up a red oak log. Oh yeah. This is on our custom chainsaw mill. It follows the Logosol style, which basically has two planes. That one the saw runs on in the back that's fixed, and then the one that the log is on moves up and down. I'll make another video about how my custom chainsaw mill is set up and all that fun stuff. This cut was near the center of the tree, near the pith. Red oak does feature some medullary rays and some cathedraling, and those knots were probably early growth branches. I learned pretty quickly in the beginning that wedges are super important. Not having them bound up the saw really bad and actually made the saw kind of drift a little bit. There you can see a couple of the 3D printed ones that I got on Maker World. I printed off a couple different designs. I think I like the white ones the best. I was playing around with a few different thicknesses of slabs, and I think this log will yield about 5 slabs. Here are some beauty shots of the slabs all stacked and stickered. Thanks for watching. We'll see you next time on the mill or in the shop.